Why I changed my old windows was simple. They were old wooden windows starting rotting away, and it had to be done. I'm local, fairly close to your office, so I noticed your company while driving by South Road, but also through web search. I gained all of the information necessary to contact you through your webpage, because that's where I found the examples, pictures, and all the information that I needed. Because Oknalux is the only company in South Australia that delivered what I wanted. Trust me, I tried. I spent numerous hours of search on web pages. Nobody locally could deliver. Simply, it was always with the strings attached. This needs to be done, that needs to be done. You were the first and the only company which simply said, yep, yes, yep, yep. That's what I appreciated, and that's what made me choose you. I made two types of contacts. It was either via email or phone call. Wait time was not the issue at all. It was always in a timely and professional manner. Also, what I would like to add is, even though you tried to do really simple and easy way to understand, you remained professional, so you never lost your scope of professionalism. My experience with the installers was also same like with the consultants. Professional people, know what they're doing, very time efficient, extremely professional yet helpful. Nothing seemed to be at the back pocket or kept hidden. Everything was out in the open and really nice and transparent, very clear. All changes are positive. Dual glazed windows are providing us they cut down the cost of heating or cooling. The other thing is noise is significantly reduced. I used to have the single glazed windows which were insulating nothing and providing no audio insulation in any form or shape. So all positives. It's really awesome. I should have done it much earlier. Getting a quotation for these windows was pretty tricky because I wanted to maintain the character of the home. It's a Mediterranean style with the arched windows, not interrupted in form or shape, just to be nice, open, clear design. It was a pretty tricky process because nobody apart from Oknalux was there to offer me anything feasible. All of the quotes came in about yours, funnily, but they were not to my satisfaction at all. And it was only Oknalux which said yes, yes, yes to all my demands, which I found to be reasonable, but and you find to be reasonable as well. Nobody else locally was willing to engage in process at all, unless I'm going to accept some changes or modifications, or even minor building jobs on my home, which I wasn't ready to do. The person who did renovation in my home is a builder with 20+ experience here locally. When I told him what I want to do, he recommended several companies through his professional experience and contacts. None of them were doing UVPC windows. They were all aluminium or wooden frames, which I was not ready to go for again. So he told me good luck, because he was pretty much sure that I'm not going to succeed. After the whole job was done on the home, he paid me a visit. He was doing something else, and then he was looking at the windows. He said, "Who the hell did this?" I said, "Yeah, it was done by a local company, Oknalux." And he said, "Okay, give me the contact if I need somebody, because sometimes I'm doing suburbs, northeast suburbs, which will have a lot of these homes. If somebody needs those windows, I see they can do them, so trust me. You can see what they've done here, no problems. It was all very positive. The recommendation is that I'm gonna go forward with another order with the Oknalux for the remainder of my home. That's the best recommendation I can give to you. I'm gonna stick with the Oknalux because they're only people in South Australia that can deliver even tricky projects like this. Seem to be done in a simple, seamless way, but yet professional way. So my recommendation is ask for James, take his guidance and be confident it's going to be delivered.